Hola, bienvenidos. Hello and welcome back to another lesson. Today's lesson we are going to go over the vowels in Spanish. Alright, in the Spanish language we have 5 vowel sounds which are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now, what is very important for you to understand about these vowels is that 5 vowels always have the same sound. So what this means is that the vowel sound does not change. They always have the same pronunciation every time you see them. And this is a big difference with the English language. So here we have some examples. Let's practice together. Mañana, mañana. Here we can see the letter A in the word mañana has the same sound. Mañana. We don't say mañana or mañene. We say mañana. And the next word is azul. Azul. We don't say azul. We say azul. Azul. Here is another example. Casa. Casa. Let's practice together again. Mañana. Azul. Casa. As we have 5 vowels, let's move to the next one is E. Elefante. Elefante. Espejo. Espejo. Estrella. Estrella. Let's practice again together. Elefante. Espejo. Estrella. So as you can see, the vowel E always remain the same sound. So now let's go to the I. Imagen. Imagen. Insecto. Insecto. Idioma. Idioma. Again, let's say together. Imagen. Insecto. Idioma. So the last 2 vowels are O and U. Let's go to the O first. Original. Original. Hombre. Hombre. Loto. Loto. Let's say together again. Original. Hombre. Loto. So the last vowel is U. Lunes. Lunes. Alumno. Alumno. Universo. Universo. Again, lunes, alumno, universo. I also would like you to know that in Spanish, the letter C has 2 sounds depending on the next vowel. What I mean is that when the letter C stands before A, O, or U, it sounds K, K. For example, casa, casa, cosa, cosa, cuello, cuello. And when the letter C stands before A or E, it sounds S, S, or Th, Th. Most of Latin America, they pronounce s. And in Spain, they pronounce th. For example, cena or cena, cine or cine. The letter G also have two sounds. First is when it stands before A, O, or U. It sounds G. For example, gato, gorra, gusano. And when the letter G is before A or E, it sounds H. For example, gente, gigante. Alright, that's it for this one. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next lesson.